Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who subscribed today. And please push that notification bell because I don't just post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM. I also post the occasional bonus videos such as a collab or open invite with one of or many of my YouTube friends. Today's video I'm going to show you a summer hairstyle that I really like and wear a lot, but it's also very popular, so I thought I would it's a trend, so I'll show you it like that. I did think I'd already showed you something really similar, so I'm sorry if I have, but I looked through my library on my YouTube and I just couldn't find it, so I was just like, you know what, just film it, Mel. You've got this morning and then you're going away, so you need to film it for the weekend anyway. So this is my natural bedhead hair. I've not brushed it this morning or anything. And we're gonna plait or braid. Let me just get this. So it's up to you. You can just use 2 smaller elastics, or you can use 2 bigger and then 2 smaller. It just literally depends on the day and how it's all going, how it works out. You'll also probably need some grips or bobby pins. It just depends how it pans out. If I just use the littler bands, I need to remember to take a big one with me for tomorrow because I need all my hair out the way for Goga. Anyway, so to begin with, you need to have a middle or side part in whatever you work with, and then just divide your hair in 2 and get the hair out of my earrings, and then just put one bit up into a pony or a bun so it's out the way. And I can't do it. There we go. And then I'm just going to run my fingers through this because it's not overly knotty. We are going to plait it or braid, as many of you probably know it as, but I am going to Dutch plait it because it's lace plait braid that I probably do more than anything, purely because that's the one I know and find easiest. Cute Girls Hairstyle taught me this many years ago when I first started watching YouTube, and I used to go to my mum, mate, can you do this in my hair, and she'd do it. But this is how I've learned a Dutch lace braid, is how I would call it. My mum can't actually do this, so I don't know how I've really learnt it, but I think it's probably through them, and I just find it really easy. So I'll try and show you now. I have shown you how to do a lace braid before, or plait, but this is what you need for this. So you've got your one half of your hair down. It can be straight, it can be curly, it can be bedhead like mine, and all you need to do is, I'm shuffling forward on my little pink pivot, is take a section at the top of your head. If I look further on from the mirror, that is from the camera, that's because the mirror is just there. Got hair in mouth. Anyway, so just take a little section. It is probably a whole finger length, so like that finger length back in my hair. And then you want to divide that into 3. Okay, now you've got it into 3, you'd plait like you would normally, but we're going back in the hair, back towards the back rather than the side. But saying that, it probably won't go right for me and it will end up on the side, but you want to aim for down the back. So 3. So plait like normal, but every bit you plait, so I've just plaited a bit like that, so when you are about to take the bit nearest your forehead, you add that in to the bit you were in and carry on plaiting. So I go under on the first bit, over on the second, under, and then under again on that bit. Then when you get to the side, the bit nearest your head on your hairline, you grab a bit and go over the next bit with it, and you continue going, but you remember you're going down the, well, I'm going down the middle of my head at the minute, but and then you just carry on doing that till you get to like your hairline down the bottom and you've got all your hair put in. Again, look, you can see I've just got a lump in it, but I'm just going to grip that in a minute. It doesn't really matter, but this plait does take some time to practice, and then you'll be good at it. And I hope you can see it because my balayage is growing out and it's just like dark, but I really hope you can see that. And now this is where I've got to the bottom of my hair. Just plait a little bit, and then this is up to you how you do your bun, but for me normally I wouldn't put a elastic in. I would just twist this round like I would my normal bun. And then with my small elastic, just secure it. Like so. And then we'll come back and put grips in it later. But if you don't feel confident with it doing it like that, you can always put your thicker headband in first and then do it around. But this is how I wear mine, and then I'll grip it in as well as this bit up here. But I really hope that went and you could see it. I'm going to do this side the same now. I hope you can follow along. Put that there. Okay, and now plait a little bit, and then get your elastic, twist it round, put your hairband in, and then there you have both your buns, and then just get your grips, which mine are under the table, and then grip where you need to, like you would on like your normal bun. I'm just going to grip this bit because it's like annoying me. There you go, so it's gone down now. I don't have any that side. So yeah, just pin it where you need it. and one more underneath. And then the other side, I've got this white blonde bit here. And just one more for luck because I've got 4 on the other side. And I don't know how windy it's going to be down by the beach if we go to the beach. And there you go. If you want to hairspray it, you can hairspray it. If you don't, you don't. But that is my little go-to summer hair. It keeps it up all out of your face. And I'm just going to change this grip because it's like annoying. It's not in my hair. There you go. So this is my summer hairstyle that I wear quite often. I wear this to work as well as weekends, and you probably have seen me wear it like this in other videos. It just keeps it out your face, off your neck, and it's actually really like neat to wear and like gives so much texture to your hair. So yeah, that's why I suggest you try this if you have hair, long hair, short hair. Like if you've got a bob, even you could do it for that, but your bun wouldn't just be as full. But just give it a go. It's really good and you'll be really pleased with it. You will need to practice with the plaiting. That does take some time, but a lot of my plaits are just these plaits because that is the only plait I can really do French plait wise. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you love this hairstyle, or you do it on yourself, or will you do a different variety of it or a different kind style to it. I think it would look good with the French plait as well. It just wouldn't obviously stand out as much with the lace plait braid being like sticking it out more. So yeah, so give this a go and thanks for watching. Bye.